Apologies for my lack of videos recently. I've been super busy with university recently, coming up to my final hand-in and exams and that sort of thing. So yeah, apologies for my lack of posting, that sort of thing. I hope I can make it up to you today by showing you these rather interesting and rare Pioneer AJet woofers, the true edgeless surround design. I picked these up on eBay, and sadly the cabinets were really badly beaten up when I got them, sort of water damage, that kind of thing, something like that. The dust cap of this one's already fallen off, the glue's a bit dry on it, but it does give you an opportunity to see just how long the former is. It's really difficult to tell, but that's because of sort of shape and stature of the design here. So there's a spider up there and the normal spider there, and I don't actually think that they have a real rubber surround. I think that the cone has a type of foam or something underneath it that makes a seal with the plastic edge here between the cone. But yeah, enough talking. I will play Bass Hit by Woofer by Bass Hit, and show you the Excursion. So that's just a quick demonstration of the Excursion. They are quite noisy drivers, but there's not a huge amount of venting. In fact, the one with the dust cap is even worse. There's quite a lot of chuffing noises, that sort of thing. One thing I thought I'd put to the comments is whether you'd like to see me cut one of these in half. Because of the plastic basket, it should be easy enough to cut one open to see what the surround or lack thereof even looks like, just to confirm the design of these. They are rare, but I'm not that fussed about losing one of them, because I doubt I'm going to use them in a project anyway. The frame is just too difficult to manufacture something into, so I thought I might do something fun and just cut one open for you. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.